This is trying to tell me that 8 years I want to do it. I've been stabbing yourself down like flying. I want to climb. I don't care. Stabbing yourself down. I don't care if the arm if I have to put green screen stuff on, there's the
So right now we just got the electronics board together. We transferred it from our previous board and then got everything set up on the plexiglass that we just got. Right now I'm working on getting the pneumatics set up so that we can run a full test drive with the entire bot and the finish end effector.
We had problems with the screw binding within a slot we cut for it. That needs to pivot this way and a little bit this way. So we went back to it and widened it just a little bit. The other problem we have is that it needs to encapsulate the nut. So we can't take it all the way to the walls because the nut's just going to fall through. So it's a balance between making it too small and making it too big. We think we got that now, so we're about to drop it back into the frame and retest it and see what the range of motion looks like when it's all set.
Right now we discovered a quick problem that our main scoring mechanism have a vibration problem. So we're replacing all the nuts with a lock nut. That way, hopefully they will not come loose during the competition. Additionally, we have mounted our circuit board or electronics board, and as well as our pneumatic system. Earlier, we ran through tests to make sure everything is hooked up properly and our pneumatic system doesn't have any leaks. And we also spent some time debugging our code. What there's left to do is mount the climber and make sure the code for that is also working properly, and do any last minute checks, and we'll see how this goes.
So we changed the design of our climber. This is going to be probably the final design. This is going to go attached to this motor right here, and then we're going to have another motor with a wheel attached, and then the wheel is going to apply pressure on it, and then they're both going to go at the same time. This one is going to reel, basically it's going to reel the measuring tape in and out, while this one is applying pressure and helping the measuring tape going in and out as well.
Okay, so I thought it'd be a good idea to bring my 3D printer here for the 3-day robot build so we could quickly make a part that we may not be able to run the hardware store at 1 a.m. So it came in handy. We actually made a custom hub for our gear motor so we can attach it to a disassembled tape measure to actually climb with, hopefully. All I did was create a hub that will have the most surface area on the spool of the tape measure, so we can epoxy it because we can't put any screws in it. And we're actually about to go test that right now, so hopefully it works.
Okay, so currently we are finishing up the top mount for the climb, and so what's going to happen, what's going to go on here is we're going to have the tape measure, which is going to include our hook, and then we're also our housing for our wheel, and then this is going to hold our tower completely together. Alright, that's it. Perfect. Oh! Oh! Woo! Pull it out. Okay.
Back up a little.
It's gonna fall
It'll
down.
come
the
towards
ramp.
me, right?
Easy. Yeah, bring it towards you. Extend it. Back it up a little. No, no, no. I meant back up the robot.
The house is really
Extend.
fragile.
Extend.
You're good. You're good. Keep extending.
Keep going.
Go. Forward. Down. All
Alright,
right.
wait. Yeah, it's just hard. It's just spinning. Yeah, it's spinning.
Ready?
It's spinning. No, it's just spinning against the table. Oh, it didn't break.
No, then
I
keep
think
doing
the
it.
keyway broke.
Or the plastic.
Oh, maybe the plastic.
Yeah, keyway will make sense.
Plastic might be strong.
Yeah. So we tested our climber, and the key broke the plastic of the hub and the keyway in the hub itself. So our current plan to repair that is to take a number 8 bolt and actually drill a hole through the plastic, through the metal motor axle, through the plastic again, cut the extra ends off of the thing so it's just a pin, and see if that will have a better result. And if it's still if that shears the plastic, then we're gonna try to take off the part of the plastic hub that connects to the motor altogether and put a metal hub on top of that. But if that happens, we might still run into the same issue of shearing plastic. So we'll see how that goes.
What's the daisies?
We're just
No, but
testing.
what we want is we don't want it to rub against that. We want it to just like freehand.
Go. Up more.
Down.
Okay.
Wait.
A little bit more.
Wait.
Wait, just make it taut.
No, it's fine. Alright,
You'll
we'll
talk. You'll be
hold
fine.
in a second.
Moment of truth here.
Hold ready.
Ready?
Go.
Ready, Howard?
I'm gonna go full power, okay?
Alright.
Yes.
Ready, set, go.
Oh my god.
Wait, keep going.
Stop. Oh, keep going. Oh my god. Alright, put it down.
Yeah, go down.
Put it backwards.
Backwards.
It worked.
Are you gonna grab from here?
I don't have the hold right now.
Let's
Okay,
go
we don't want to try to hold it to ruin the wheel.
Go up.
Alright, you guys ready?
Yep.
Let go, see what happens.
That falling isn't that bad.
That's also.
Do it again?
We're gonna hold it from the bottom so that way like
Down.
The way I implement it now was the way I implemented it before. You gotta keep it looks like it's, you gotta look like screw.